Hi Jack, I want to thank you for your interest in our clicker presses. I'm going to cut some leather pieces here for you with a shark die and a couple of smaller shark dies. This is a larger one. I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. Let's spin that around one more time. That sounded like it cut through. Part of it. Slide that around again just to make sure. That one did it. Very stiff. Take a couple of passes to get through that. And there you go. There's your shark die. Go ahead and get this one out of the way. The height of the die is a little different. I'm going to put this one on this cutting board. Go ahead and get a couple of small ones out of there. The other die. You can see it cuts them out nice and neat. So what I'm going to do is send you over to the video, and you'll have to punch these out from the back side here so that you can get your pieces out. And what I would do is just punch that out like that. You'll be able to pull those out nice and easy. Again, like that. I'll send you the video. We'll discuss it. Thank you.